Hey guys, it's FireAlarmDude2121, and I showed you, I made another video like May 16th. Yeah, and I ended up not winning the auction because it got way too high. But, drum roll please, I ended up getting a new panel. I'll be right back, and I'll show you the picture of the panel and what it is, what it's by, and what company I'm a fan of, which you probably already know. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. It's a Firelight 5S 5UD. Firelight is my favorite company of fire alarms. I love them. And that's the only alarms I have right now. Well, actually not true. I have one Space Age, but I'm never going to be using it. Wait. Oh, my fire alarms are over there. What I have is a Firelight NBG10L. And then I have a Firelight NBG12L. Yeah. And then I have a Space Age strobe, which is all the way over there, with the thing for a horn, but it's not hooked up. And sorry the picture was so crappy. And it's supposed to be coming like the 12th or something. Okay.